Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A54, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you will start off by selecting the language that you wish to have your device in. I'm going to stick with English, and from there let's press next and choose our region. Next we have the user agreement, so obviously you can read exactly what you have to agree to. From there, click on the checkbox and go to the next page. I have user privacy, security and protection, because there is no other option but to press next. Then we have some user experience programs which you can join if you wish to, or completely disregard them if you don't care. Here we have the option to connect to Wi-Fi, so if you have a network near you that you can connect to, then go right ahead and connect to. And if you don't feel like doing so, you can just skip it. The only downside of skipping it right now is that later on throughout the setup we won't have the option to log into Google account, which still can be done later on after the setup is complete through settings once you connect to, well, any kind of network. So I'm going to skip it here, and then we have Wi-Fi assistant. So this is just a nice option from OPPO that when enabled, the device will choose itself what is the best network around you and will basically connect to it, assuming it can. And if all the networks that are around you are just utter garbage, it will switch to mobile network if you check the second box. I have Google services, so location, scanning, sending user and diagnostic data, the typical Google stuff. If you don't like it, turn it off. If you do, leave it on. We have protection to our device, so we can set up password or well, technically a screen lock, fingerprint or face recognition. Now these are just kind of like weirdly translated: password, fingerprint and face what. So yeah, OPPO should work on their description of unlocking methods, but basically you can anyway skip this if you don't want it. If you do want to add something like a fingerprint, you are still required to add a screen lock. That'd be pin, pattern or password, or you can just set up one of those. So let's go to password, which by some odd reason, instead of giving you even the password as a default option, it goes to pin instead, because reasons. So let's tap on use a different password type. That mentally hurts me. So anyway, once you tap on that button, you'll have option between pattern, actual or not actual, a 4-digit PIN, then we have 4 to 16-digit PIN and not a password, and then we have the actual alphabetical password, which the word password fits to as this only option here. So anyway, I'm gonna go with the pattern. So let's draw the pattern, then redraw the same pattern once more, and this will automatically confirm it. Recommended auto update overnight, just an option. If you want it, turn it on. If you don't care, leave it off. Import data, this will allow you to basically move all the data from your old device to this one, so all your contacts, photos, stuff like that can be simply transferred over to the new device. Now it will require a application for it, which you will have to download on your older device, and then you can simply connect them and go through it and move over the data. I'm gonna set it up as new anyway, so let's just tap on next and get started, and we are done with the setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.